Yeah, back to making content. Volume right. Just picking up. Keep running. Stuff like this volume. Alright. It's late. It's a little later than I wanted to get on. When you on your dad shit, sometimes life happens. We definitely gonna be documenting this journey going forward. So, I've streamed a few times in the past, haven't been consistent at it, and I definitely want to do a lot better at being consistent in streaming and creating content behind this journey of this journey, behind documenting my trading journey. So that's what we're doing today. There you go. Let's go and get into it. Let's go ahead. Let's see what we got on the week or news. Think of anything for actually see the news we got going on this week. I know the Fed is supposed to be speaking this week, and I think the Fed rate's coming out this week. So let's see. The day that is, we got retail sales on Monday. This is alright, so Monday we have nothing crazy. Tuesday we have retail sales. So that means Wednesday. Yeah, that's fund rate and FOMC press conference. Okay. Alright. So my goal is going to be anytime I sit down to do anything trading related, I plan on just going live and trading. Going live and streaming it, recording it, and putting it up so I can make some clips. So we're gonna make content out of this entire trading process. Out of this entire trading process. Everything I'm doing. So I'm currently working on passive funded account. As you see here, it is Apex. I don't know if you can see that, but it's an Apex account. We're working on passing an Apex account. Just recently started it. I'm up 900 and 250K account. So the goal is to get to 15K in profit so that we can pass this evaluation. So I am a little bit more than $14,000 away from passing that account. So that's what we're going to be working on. All right. anybody wondering, anybody watching this right now, but we are trading gold and NQ. I might add US40 to the mix after some time. Who knows? We'll see. Honestly, my time is really limited, so we might just stick to what I got and let's go from there. But, right now, we're looking at gold because my NAS strategy is simple. I trade orb. I trade orb on NAS, and that's what I'm gonna keep trading. So, I might try to start after some time in the future. I might try to start implementing some other setups, but right now I trade open range breakout, 15-minute open range breakout. That's what I trade. So gold is the only other thing that I really will consider outside of the New York session. So right now we're just kind of looking for a setup. But I also kind of want to go over my trade last week. I don't even know why all this is up here because this is even saying. I wish I can get it off this chart. Because this is the only trade. Well, this is the only day that I actually traded my money account. All this other trade, all this is a different account that I don't have access to anymore. Not because I failed the account, I just honestly, what happened was this was another funded account, and I had it hooked up to my Cash App card, and I didn't have money on my Cash App card. And over the weekend, they tried to bill over the weekend, and I didn't realize it was trying to bill. And it only gives you like 12 hours to fix the billing, and it was over the weekend, and I didn't see it. So when I got back, like, even though let me take these trades here. None of this actually mattered because it was all on an old account. So this was the only actual trade I took on this is the only day I traded my new account. So I took 2 trades, loss and win. That's where we're at. This account right currently. And I kind of want to go over this one. This was a great win. Great win. So we're gonna go ahead and pull up this. I'm kind of break this down. Everything I'm trying to put this up. So what I do on NAS is I trade 15-minute order blocks. So we're gonna kind of break this down real quick. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the 9:30 15-minute candle. We're on 15-minute chart right here. This is TradeZella. Anybody who's not familiar with TradeZella, it's just my journaling software. I journal, or I don't journal, but this is what tracks all of my trades. This is what tracks everything that I do, and I do my back testing on this platform as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the 9:30 candle. 9:30 candle, here it is. And go ahead and draw a rectangle around that. We're gonna draw a box on it. 9:30 candle, right? What I do on where orb is, I drop down to the 5-minute chart after I identify where that 15-minute order block is, or 15-minute open range is. So that's from this high to this low. Once we get a break outside and we push back out to get out, that's when I take my trade. So as you can see here, we pushed out, came back in, and when we broke out on this candlestick, and then to come back in, like if we drop down to the 1 minute, so we pushed out, I ended up getting in here and here. That's where we got it now. The price ended up taking off, pushing up, and I got out right here on this pullback candle right here. And as you can see, it was a $1,000 plus trade. Worked out pretty well. This was 10 contracts. As you see, 10 contracts on the micro NASDAQ chart. So that was kind of what I did there. So that's a simple quick breakdown. Got in here on this correction. So we got the impulse, correction, and we got the continuation move. So that's what we took here. So I got in here, I took 2 separate entries, 5 contracts each, ended up closing the entire trade right here at the peak. It didn't go any higher that day. This was the highest it went that day. I ended up pulling over and back into the zone. So that was my trade on, what was that, Wednesday? Yeah, September 11th, go figure. So, that was where we were at. I wish I can get all this other shit off the chart because this is not the same. It's not the same account. And I don't know why it's showing like that. But anyway, we are now going into a new week. And we're looking for new trades. I'm really hesitant on trading gold currently because we're at all-time highs here on gold. So I don't know if it wants to continue up or if we're finally going to get the pullback that everybody has been anticipating because gold has been like a fucking rocket ship to the moon. And I'm looking for gold to end up pulling back. That's what I'm trying to do. I really would prefer gold to start pulling back because I could trade that so much better. Right where it's at currently, I just don't feel comfortable pulling the trigger on it. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to take any trades tonight. So today's looking like, all right, I want to get on camera, I want to stream, I want to get something happening. But I don't think that I'm actually going to be taking any trades tonight. For 12 minutes, that's cool. I think if we can get under 20 minutes and get off, But so as I was saying, on indices, I trade open range breakout. That's my strategy on indices. Now on gold, I'm a structure trader. I like to trade structure and consumables. So right now, what I'm looking at here is this is our high. This is our overall high here. So what's happening here, what I'm seeing is here, so we made this high, we came back down, we made this low. Push back up, we made a lower high, and now we've come back down and we made a lower low. So path of least resistance, or the most probable thing that I'm looking at here, is that price is going to continue to sell down, at least until we can come back and get right here into this zone. So that's what I'm looking for. So I'm actually looking for sells here on gold. Sells down to this level here. Now, what happens after we get to this level, I'm not sure, but I do think that we are going to continue to sell down into this level here. We're going to actually So now cell card. Can't type on this little ass keyboard I got here. Cell target. And of course I can't see it still. There we go. Okay, so it's gotta do it like that. You know what I need to do? I need to make this smaller. You can see it. Here's our cell target. Here's a key level here. So we want to actually sell down into this level. So that's kind of what we're looking for here. Another nice key level right here, where price is currently reacting to. Go ahead and throw this out. So you see right here, got what price reacts here, and all the way across. So this is a key level that, for what I'd be looking for. I'm gonna adjust it. That's right. So I'm gonna get it to right here. That's the one. Yeah. We get a reaction. So every time we get here, we get a reaction of something. Boom, boom, boom. So this is here, boom. So we got a reaction here again. So now what I would be looking for is on an even lower time frame is for price to react here. I want to see some candlesticks to show me that it wants to start to push back down. That's what time is it? It's 9:40. It's about to be 9:40. We got 9:40 here, which we got 20 minutes left. This current candlestick. 20 minutes left in this current candlestick. So this next 20 minutes is really vital. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to stay at the same temperature or something. Oh, all right. I think we might hang around for like the next. Yeah, I'll hang around until 10 o'clock and see what happens. You know, while we wait, let's take a look at MQ. Let's see if we can get a price. Just to see if we can get a bias for this one coming up. Price is just pushing up here now. It's going a lot of shit. I have a lot. Look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going on 9 days of bullish price action. We got a dozer here, but it couldn't pull. Another dozer here, couldn't pull. Just been continuing to rise. So, alright, well, when is that going to stop? Let's look at the you don't have to stop. Compared to a week like this, that's what we need to shit. Like this week, it was shit. We can definitely continue to bullish here. Let's see what NASDAQ top and bottom performance stocks. Top performers: Warner Brothers, Tesla, Micron Technology, Frontier, Microsoft. Bottom performers: Lululemon. Shit, like anybody buy shit. Cadence Designs, Synopsys, ARM Holding, PNC, Dominion, Breakline, Trusted, Unseen Interest everywhere. NASDAQ 100 gains 124.95 points or 0.52% to 24,117.52 and recorded 6 new highs and 2 new lows. 37 stocks rose and 65 fell on declining issues, outnumbered against by about 1.8 to 1 ratio. Okay. Wall Street on track for subdued opening after rally indexes. Indexes set for a weekly gain. Wall Street on track for subdued opening after rally. Subdued open after rally. Indexes set for weekly gains. Key points. Futures. Dow is down 0.24%. The S&P 500 is down 0.09%. NASDAQ is up 0.03%. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey due at 10 Eastern. Adobe gains after annual forecast rise. Wall Street futures pointed to a subdued open on Friday after the 3 main indexes scaled record highs in the previous session and were on track to log gains in a week of economic reports that solidified expectations for interest rate cuts. Everybody is expecting interest rates to be cut. That's what everybody is expecting. So that's pretty much what the main catalyst is for stocks to continue to, or for indices to continue to rise. Even though the last report read was 30 of these stocks some minor gains while like 60. Everybody is expecting rate cuts to be cut this week, which is going to happen. So on Wednesday, this is we're expecting rates to be cut from 4%, from 4.5% to 4.25%. That's what everybody's expecting. What's going to happen after that? Guess what? Getting in front of one of these. I'm like, y'all know when Powell fucking talks, the market will move. So, we're expecting the market to move this week. Expecting some volatility, and I don't know if we're gonna get any volatility before Wednesday, or if we're gonna have to wait for Wednesday to get everything to start popping off. But this week the market's gonna move. Whether it's gonna happen, that's it. Tuesday. I hope we get a little action on Monday or Tuesday. I hate when like the market just sits still all week long. I ain't trying to see the market sit still all week long. So hopefully we don't get consolidation until the fucking. I feel like the market's already priced in what's gonna happen. So that's my opinion. I feel like the market's already priced in the rate cut. So I don't think that we're gonna be waiting for Wednesday for the market to make a move. I think the market's gonna start doing what it's supposed to do. So I think tomorrow's gonna be a good day. If you have some decent volatility in the morning, we're gonna get the buy or the sell. I don't know. Looks like we're creating a nice support level here. Go back to the hour. Okay, like this looks like a nice support level. Let's get a little creative here. Let's see if we can do something. That's a nice level. That's a nice level. That looks really cool. I'm gonna drop down to 30, 15. This is clear. So, here we get here, we push in. We'll go and close below here, so we push it up. Alright, cool, like that. We'll see what happens tomorrow. This chart, back to gold. We have 10 more minutes left. I was watching the Joe Budden podcast, and I do this is what was this Friday's episode? Friday or Saturday's episode? I forgot what they got. But we're talking about the Charlie Kirk murder. I don't really want to call it assassination because, in my opinion, it was just somebody doing content, talking shit. Well, I mean, but he's not really, aside from being like a debater, I don't really think he was much more of a public figure than that. He didn't hold any office politically or anything like that. So, in my opinion, he was murdered. He wasn't assassinated. It looked like him. I mean, he got shot down, he got sniped, but in my opinion, it was murder, not an assassination. I don't know if I should get my. This is not what this is. All I do is trade. I'm not giving political commentary or anything like that. I trade. I just let the Joe Budden podcast, and I'm about to play it as I listen, as we wait for Like for 10 o'clock ahead, I'm about to play it, and this just happens to be what they're talking about. But I, by no means, have any kind of political. Man, I don't know why am I giving all this background. Nobody's watching. Nobody's even watching. But
You are blessed beyond measure. And sometimes if you're a piece of shit, whether you get it when you're older or you get it when you're younger, it's coming back to you. And I believe it. Yo, listen, Ish, we love somebody, Marco, who speaks against a lot of things. Right? And I wouldn't want to put that in the universe if something happened to our brother because of his view. So I don't want to put that out there in the universe. But there is somebody, and I stand with Marco and what he believes in. It's not radical like you said, but there's some people out there, when you read about Mark's history, I'm pretty radical, not radical. Yes, I'm on the other side. Yes, pardon me. Yes, it's not hateful. I think it's this, but there's some, but hold on, there's some people out there. They got a whole Mark fire.
My dad was different. My dad would have told.
Yeah.
He was straight as an arrow, not because
Like my godfather, I would tell him.
At the end of the
You
hour,
can't tell anybody you love because
That could implicate them.
it would implicate them and they would go to jail.
Yeah.
the way we put clothes
I might tell my mom.
You gotta do that. Some parents that help you hide the body. Word.
Yeah. My mom would be more of the like, she wouldn't help me hide the body, but she would go to her grave protecting me. You know what I mean? With my dad, I'm not gonna report an incident. Nigga, they nasty. No one said anything. Yo,
Who's your father ethnicity?
he was black.
Oh.
But he's from Georgia.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He spoke with a very proper, educated Georgia accent.
Did he respect the fact that he was a Mason and stuff like that? He knew that?
Mason.
I said I was amazing.
Yeah. Not that he's a Mason.
Are you a Mason? You said I heard you were a Mason. It don't matter.
If I were, I would keep the secret sacred and the sacred secret. But,
Got it. Okay.
but my father was a Mason.
Oh.
My father was a Mason. I read that somewhere.
On to another Charlie.
Yeah, on another one.
Yo, I know I wouldn't tell if I had killed somebody. These niggas-
I know I wouldn't tell if I just felt like going to Dunkin' Donuts.
What's in your pocket there, boy?
Come on, Ike, we got to talk about Charlie Wilson. Let's do it.
Charlie Sheen, nigga. Charlie
Oh,
Wilson.
so another Charlie. We're going to Charlie Wilson. We was on Charlie Sheen.
We was on Charlie Wilson.
I thought Charlie Wilson.
What happened with Charlie Wilson?
What Charlie Sheen did it for? Why you want to talk about Charlie Sheen?
There was a Charlie Sheen doc. He did come out.
Okay.
Oh, we talked about last episode before you get. We talked about last episode. Yeah.
No, we talking about Charlie Wilson because the concert was live a couple days ago.
Oh.
Charlie's Uncle Charlie's R&B cookout. Charlie Wilson, KC, Babyface, and El DeBarge.
Wow.
So when we first mentioned it, me and Ish was talking because he said Babyface was going to be the headliner.
Yeah.
I'm like, nah, Charlie's going to be the headliner.
It's called Charlie's Cookout. I said, you say what you want.
Host.
Babyface is on the grill. Got all you want. Babyface is on the grill.
So I can't confirm. Charlie was the headliner.
Oh, okay.
My mom went. Your mom went as well, right? Had a blast.
It was nice.
My girl Asia went. A lot of people I know went.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my mom had a blast. She told me El DeBarge stole the show. Sang all of them under the rug.
Really?
Yeah, I heard you
Yes.
saying.
Yes.
Me and Ice, for the most part, got the exact same report.
Yep.
I heard El DeBarge is still him and sung everybody out of the arena. I heard that KC might need to lay off the dope for a little bit
I wasn't gonna
because
say
his
as bad
voice
as he did.
sounded like he did dope longer than El DeBarge.
Looks like he did different drugs.
That's
I
crazy.
heard Babyface came out and
L was the original adopter of crack.
Oh, yeah.
That nigga was smoking crack.
They won.
He made it to crack.
nigga is like,
Oh,
well, apparently
He had the good shit. I'm about to say he had the good shit.
I'm sorry.
he's chilled out. He's chilled out from the sound of his voice.
Yeah.
Or he's just the most talented dude on the earth. But and I heard that Charlie Wilson thinks he closed it.
So it was Mr. Face. Mr. Edmonds.
And listen, I love Uncle Charlie like the next man.
Of course.
The report I got was he came out with a little attitude, telling the audience, "This is my cookout. I brought all these people here."
I don't care who comes out after me, but
Ain't nobody come after me.
comes out after. But it's Babyface. No matter where you put him in the show,
He going.
is a hard out.
oh yeah, for sure.
He could open, he could close, he could go before the closer, and if he so happens to go before the closer,
Crowd might get a little lighter.
You might get a little thin.
Even if they don't.
You might need some road games for the
Even if the crowd stay, it's just going to be a different
They're at the
show.
bar.
So I heard that Charlie Wilson came out with an attitude, tight about some things, telling the people that he's responsible for all these motherfuckers being here.
Thank you.
And I attribute that to Babyface coming on right before
don't tell.
tearing the house down.
It's Meek Mills had a really nice bar. It is levels to this shit. Fam, that Mr. Edmonds, and no disrespect, no disrespect to Charlie,
Or Anita.
or Anita. Yeah. But
What can you do with it?
Why do people keep putting Babyface before
That's
that?
what I'm saying.
Like,
Yeah, I understand it. I understand it. It's just a mistake.
It's
You
an
can't,
ego thing,
you can't,
bro.
you can't always go by the paper. If you go by just what's on paper, Babyface's solo career may not be
the gap.
headline worthy, depending on if the Isley brother, whoever is here.
Right.
However, Babyface, at his age and health and pen with all the hits he wrote, his backup singers are amazing.
He
His
still
band-
sounds good himself.
his-
though.
No, I know. I know. I went to a Babyface show recently, so
Yeah, I ain't never seen him not kill it.
me either.
And like you said, it's the producer pen. Because when he does Can We Talk?
End of the
when he
road.
does- yeah, End of the Road. When he does the Bobby Brown
Tony
joint.
shit.
Yeah.
Don't stop. When he does a whole entire soundtracks that he wrote that went
Wait,
that
next
simple,
level.
simple platinum.
Yeah.
Like, what are we talking about?
Yeah, no, it's true. Shout out to everybody that went to that show. I am going to go in a couple of weeks. I'm going to go to what's the one? It's coming. I'll be there.
The next show?
Yeah.
I mean, the Queen's show.
Gladys Knight, no.
Yeah.
Gladys Knight.
Oh, I'm going to that one.
Gladys,
Yeah,
Patty
I'm gonna
Lavelle. It's
I'm gonna go. I need to see Shaka Khan curse somebody out. Shaka Khan gonna come out there and tell the truth about how they acting backstage.
I was.
A Shaka Khan interview for me might be up there with Quincy Jones.
Yeah.
Shaka Khan gonna tell the truth about these hoes.
Yeah.
These hoes
love
ridiculous.
Shaka Khan.
No, me too. Me too. What else is important? What else is unimportant? What's going on? What's popping out there? I want to ask y'all why Timberland redid the message, but I'll wait.
I saw
Because
that.
it's not that important.
What message?
I saw that sitting in there, and I was like, I'm not even.
Hold up.
time out.
What
What message?
The message.
No.
Not
What,
by Mr.
No.
Not Mr.
What message,
No.
nigga?
Not Mr. Mel.
The message.
Did he rap on it?
Yes.
Not Mr.
You're lying.
Not Mr.
Wait,
Mel.
he uses AI shit.
It's a
playing
cover.
his AI shit.
It's a cover. He did the verse. He did the song. Now I won't lie. Let me not be phony. When the beat came on, I was like, "Ooh!" He smoked that beat, and then the rest of it happened.
Can we hear it?
Yeah.
Tell Parks play it
I
because
got you.
I didn't purchase it. I didn't purchase it,
He
so I'm
released
playing
it.
it from my phone. It's out. This is in the new music section.
I thought he
I
was just
saw
playing
it.
around on
Trying
Instagram
to
or
get
something.
away,
But
but I couldn't get far because the man with a touch of repossessed my car.
Yes.
That message.
Yes.
No.
You know all the words.
Do I?
It was on your prom.
That's the last rap song. He know the words to.
He old as
He was at
touch.
Your prom.
I had that shit at my prom.
He's old.
I was 6 years
Oh,
old.
he's got vampire blood. Look at him.
He look good to be old though.
Yeah, he look good. He look like 56 and just look.
They think because Mel out here, his hair growing back.
My secret card.
Yeah, this nigga's
See, I think that this is hard. Just this. But just this part of it. See, I'm going. I'm out.
Knock it to the verse. Knock it to the
I'm
verse.
out.
It's the verse.
Just don't care.
Going crazy. Just going crazy. Turn this shit up.
Turn it off.
Yo, Timberland just bored.
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Tim, chill out, Tim.
Tim just bored.
Is he broad? Yo, you.
That's it. He just bored. Ain't no verses no more. I ain't got shit to do.
I don't know what.
Yeah, let me just go fuck up some classics.
I don't even like the beat.
Hey, yo, find Nelly Furtado,
I'm not
nigga.
sure how to think about this.
That's
I don't feel
disrespectful
about
to
this.
hip hop.
I do think it's interesting. Hip hop covers is an interesting thing because in every other form of music, there's covers, and there's not really in hip hop except for re-flipping a sample.
Timberland.
So it's an interesting concept. I don't think it's very good.
Yeah.
10.
I don't know if I do either.
It shouldn't be hip hop covers.
They shouldn't be hip hop covers.
Because that's the.
Covers, you don't change the lyrics
But
at all,
wait,
right?
time out. Don't you think that using covers would maybe lead to looking at our forefathers in a better light and extending the genre in the way that rock and pop and all these other genres use covers? Like, I think that
Yes.
there is something potentially cool about it.
Not for hip hop.
I would need to see
hip hop
a
is
really
so
good
built
one.
on originality.
No, hip hop is built on the writing.
Let's see if we can get
Whereas rock, pop, R&B, the singing is the skill. So Luther Vandross could take somebody's shit and re-sing it, but I can't rewrite Mama Said Knock You Out. You get what I'm saying? I'm not rewriting it, so it's not really the you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I
That's
do,
my
yeah.
opinion, but
I think
I had never thought about the concept.
But I think what you're saying, it would definitely shed light on how dope Big Daddy Kane was, or how prophetic KRS-One was. I think those things would be dope for the newer generation.
Right.
I just don't know how we pull them
you
off.
got to do something. You got to do something with the lyrics, like maybe tweak them.
I don't know how we can pull it off.
Yeah.
Or just redoing the song itself. Like, for example, for
Keep the hook and rework.
yeah,
the
like
verses.
Oh, that's
on Doggy Style, Snoop did Lottie Dottie.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It got to be something like that.
That was fire.
He did.
That was fire.
Yeah, I forgot that. It got to be that way.
Listen, I ain't seen no song bring shit together like fucking hey, look at you. Like the Juice World Sting joint.
Yeah, with the Nas
Oh,
Yeah. Shape of My Heart, Nas, the message. The Juice World. My mother loved that
record is
song.
hard.
Now I don't want to hear him do the Nas verses.
Right.
But no, that was the one.
I never heard that.
Yes, you did.
Yes, you did. You
heard
definitely
it.
heard
You
this
just don't know you heard it because you're 75 years old, but you heard it. Ish, where you going tonight? You got your multi-purpose outfit on.
Lucid Dreams. That's the
no.
Oh, I know that's
And my man got a. Where you came from?
Where you going tonight,
Wait,
Anthony?
hold on, stop. He got a band on his hand, nigga. What VIP text? Show me the band.
Wait,
You came VIP. Show him. Show him. Oh shit! I love Flip. I love VIP party. Straight to work.
Why you
No, nigga.
Oh, so you're saying this is last night's
Wait,
outfit?
last night?
Oh,
Go home.
Tonight's outfit at all.
we had it backwards.
We did.
Nigga, it's got the VIP band.
You know, it's a T-shirt and jeans. After the show.
Where you was at?
I went to this complex again.
Complex. Oh, I know you're talking about. Yeah. That was. Can we say what it was? Build your shit, nigga. You better. I'm laughing. Me too. I was about to get back.
Get away from me, yo.
Y'all heard that joint was tough though.
What's up?
Yeah, that was Kyrie's joint, right?
Nah, it's tonight.
Oh, which one was it?
Kyrie shit today.
Oh, which one was you at?
Complex.
Oh, I didn't know if it was something.
No.
Why you asking my man question? You heard what he said, nigga? Right. Complex is all we need to know.
So you showered with that thing?
Yeah. I don't, nigga, who walking around with a knife to cut the shit? I forgot literally it's on my hand.
But it's just so
Try and rip this
it's
shit
so
up.
coincidentally.
It's not rippable.
Oh, it's one of the cloth shit?
Yeah, that's some other shit.
It matches your jacket too. You body that.
This ain't that.
You body that fit.
I don't like
It's a
this.
T-shirt and jeans.
Nah, but
Wait, are you wearing that out tonight like to let the bitches know?
Looking like
Yeah,
James Dean.
I was somewhere.
I was there. I was there. My
Yo, I was at the complex joint. While y'all shout out Kyrie, we're gonna get his prize picks, but I do want to shout out Derrick Rose. He sent me a really fly invitation to his Jersey Rising thing that they're doing in Chicago.
Oh,
Yeah, in a couple months.
Shout out
That is
to
right. He sent me a rose.
That's fine.
I meant to post it. It's fire.
Congrats to him for getting that.
Yeah,
shout out to D-Rose.
Derrick Rose is a different generation's Allen Iverson.
Yeah.
yeah, okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'll go with that.
Yeah, no, he is. Derrick Rose is tough. Shout out to D Rose. Yo, get the scissors when I do this.
Give me a knife. You can throw me a knife.
Those scissors.
Don't throw the knife at
Yo, don't end it.
That sounds crazy. Don't take it over yet, though.
Throw me a knife.
Corey
You
thought.
gotta let him pop with. You gotta let him do the whole
If
vibe.
Corey throw you a knife, he's
So-
good at that.
I'm saying, that nigga murk me with a water bottle, dog. They'll have to-
Look at Corey floating around. He ain't got no legs.
Nigga, no.
Look at Corey floating.
What if he missed?
fuck he gonna do? Stab me?
No, stab me. Don't you know? I know he keep getting fucked up.
Ricochet like
Now you was you can go home, nigga.
What you mean?
Cause that white tee was from the store. I know that white tee. That white tee too crispy, boy. That's from the back.
You keep a
They know
three-pack.
that's old, boy.
You keep a three-pack in the trunk flip?
Yeah, nigga said you didn't go. I was trying to do that, nigga. I wasn't home, so go home, nigga.
What's wrong with you, bro?
Whoop-de-doo.
Hey. Wait a minute. I love black people. Watch it be a white producer, people. All right, time for my favorite part of the show. Prizes. Psych. Me and Ish are shooting at each other. That's my real favorite part of the show.
I don't.
All right. I got a I really want to take this cell and go to bed. I really do want to take this cell and just go to bed off of it. I do, man. I want to take this cell and go to bed. take this sell. Yeah, but all right, man. Because I mean, gold's been extremely bullish. So it's like, why would we do that? So the risk to reward ratio is like, fuck it, right? If we do get that pullback, which I think we're gonna get, I ain't even trying to take it this far. Like, I'm not trying to sell it to the bottom of this wick or nothing. I'm trying to. What am I trying to? Oh, well, yeah. I am trying to take it pretty far. Oh, my fucking kids so they kid up there making noise. Supposed to be in bed. My kid's supposed to be in the bed. I hear some noise up there. It's 10 o'clock. What are we gonna do here? Someone call this gambler. I really do feel like, based off of this structure, that the sell is in. Like, I feel like we might get some sell movements here. Make lows, like, what are we doing? I'm about to get in for a sell. I'm gonna wait for the price to start to sweep back to the downside. But I don't want to see this high get broken.
I don't want
Now, who has copped more, please?
more. You've never seen me cop a plea. Ah. Yo, you always got to insert yourself in grown man business. You see me cop a plea, bro?
Nigga, Cheyenne Bryan had you up there copping please, boy.
That's a fact. Ish.
Nigga, before
that's a fact.
I got the receipt on it. Before you went up there, we were discussing about when she comes up here, what you were gonna do. That was the plan. Yo, when she come up here, nigga, da-da-da.
Stay there. And what did Antoine say?
You said, I'm not gonna say what you said verbatim because I don't wanna, but you know what you said, nigga. I'm on it.
I want you to tell me.
I'm ready, nigga. She can't fuck with me when it comes to these topics. That's what you said. Right here walking. I swear.
I know.
Even before that,
Yo,
you said, nah, we here now. You said,
Everything that you go on is not an antagonistic thing. Just because we set the toxicity out for the universe,
Okay.
nigga, I don't gotta go on a platform and have an argument with somebody.
that's what we saying.
Is that not what you saying?
We saying you was mad
I
agreeable.
wasn't.
We are saying the same thing.
Yo, yeah. That's what I was doing? Yo, that niggas was stupid, bro.
You a different nigga. I liked it though.
You gotta wait till the beat drop. When the beat drop, that's when my hands start dancing to the beat.
You know what? This part,
I don't agree with you.
we would part a lot better if when we called you on your shit, you would just say, you know what? Y'all got me. And maybe that applies to me too.
What?
Maybe that applies to me too. But we be having you a lot, I feel like.
I never said I was gonna go to a platform and argue with Cheyenne Bryan.
No, you didn't say.
I'm not saying
What are y'all talking about?
We saying you was a sucker.
All right, call
We ain't trying to dress it up for you so you can have your word back.
Call me what you
You went over there
and agreed
and
with what the
changed
young lady was saying.
your
And I
energy.
agreed with what she was saying.
because she was, you know what I mean?
Was there anything you disagree with that you
Yes.
didn't push back against?
We didn't, my nigga. We had 36 minutes on the stage,
Okay.
so I tapped her and was like, "Go on, you boy, you lucky." Y'all.
Copping a plea. That's what
She
where I'm
started
from.
laughing and said, "Let's do it."
Where I'm from, that's
We
all.
didn't have no time.
But that's a plea.
Debate and you
Yeah,
said
she one of the moments.
She
I mean,
didn't
like the viral moment, not like the.
No, I tapped. I said, "Yo, you said some bullshit." And she was like, "What?" And I said, "Man, we could go viral right now." She said, "Let's do it."
And you said that
And
right
I
now.
said, no, I looked at the clock. It was 6 minutes left, so it wasn't no time. She like,
6 minutes is a lot of time.
no, she was like, "Fuck." No, you was there, nigga. Stop acting like you wasn't there.
I saw it.
So shut up then. Act like I got up there and copped the plea.
Nigga, you was just too, nigga, you was driving
Even how you-
Miss Bryant.
Brother, Brian.
You went too down, Miss Brian. She was cool. I can see how she was cool. Let me just say this.
No,
I
she
can
won
see
you
what-
over.
Hold on.
She didn't win
Before
me.
they
She
get-
won you
Hold
over.
on, wait. Before they got on stage, she disarmed you.
Yeah, you
I can
ridiculous.
see how charming. I watched that. She was mad cool.
I didn't even speak to the lady before we got on.
That's not.
That's
I
not
did
true.
not speak
That's
to.
not true. I know.
Yeah. Before I'm talking about.
I know.
Before we went on the stage, I did not have 5 words with this woman.
In the front of the stage?
Yes, I
You
did not
jumped on her
have.
dick on stage.
I didn't jump on anybody's nothing anywhere. I did not speak to her before we went on stage. Flip is
All right,
lying.
my last question. I'm not basing my questions off Flip.
Yo, you just sitting here lying.
All right, so in front of the stage, in your opinion, in your opinion, you didn't jump on Dr. Cheyenne Bryant's dick. That's my final question.
Yo, Keith, stop your fuckery, bro.
There you have it.
Some people are cool though. Some people
Nobody
they
can
disarm
win.
you with their beauty, with their knowledge.
I've never been around a pretty woman before.
Check me.
They all disarmed you.
No, they haven't.
They all disarmed you.
No, they
Don't
haven't.
know you
They
talking.
haven't.
I'm here, nigga. You ain't just talking. You've been disarmed. And beauty. Her name. Let's not act like we have a chief over here. We all been disarmed.
We have.
Let's do that. I did about it. I'm trying to play on you. But
I said we have.
for a second.
I said we have.
Yeah, we going too crazy now.
That didn't
We
take.
been disarmed.
I think you might lose your gun before me, but it's cool. You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that.
All right, so we're in a sell here on gold. I'm only risking $200, so I'm not really too pressed. But I do think that this is going to be a positive trade here. I think I might short this a little bit further, so that we're risking maybe like 300. I'll put that above there. Go to bed. Gonna shut this down. So I will be back on in the morning. I gotta take the kids to daycare, so I probably won't be back on until like 7 o'clock in the morning. But I do anticipate this to be a nice trade. Yeah, all right, cool. We're in. Do I want to even push it up this high? I don't think I want to push it up that high. Oh, excuse me. All right, we are shutting down the stream. Until next time.